will give you a tour of my camper, Sunny.
And what is your name?
May.
Okay.
So first we got the fender shell,
Yes.
the logo,
And this is
this is a light.
porch light. All this is awning, canopy,
And the door and a step for
step for you and for your shoes, right?
yeah.
And
Shoes go in here, feet go on here.
All right, let's go to the front.
So, bike rack.
Yep. And we got space to put 1, 2, and 3 bikes.
This is my biggest. This is these little storage
Storage.
and here's
Front
kind
hatch.
of more storage for the winter. In the summertime, we put air conditioning in it, and when it's winter, we take it out and extra storage.
Yeah, that's where you put your Oreos, right?
Yeah.
And this here, the tongue is a removable, so we remove it, and if we have to leave the camper on the site, we take the tongue section with us, so that's added security. And this shelf here, where that's a small propane tank, that one there will sit.
Okay.
All right, let's go
Now
around.
this side. Basically the same. Yeah. This is where you plug in all the electricity. Like
Power, yeah.
power.
And here we have another shelf, and for the shoe storage. And this window here is the frameless window
Logo.
and crank out.
So you could talk. Another porch light is a
Yup.
logo.
Okay, so we're looking at the roof of the camper,
The top of the camper.
and
So this is a
crossbars.
crossbars. And my dad wants to put a solar panel on the camper.
Yes, and these anchor points are mounted on this roof edge molding, and we'll probably have another video talking about detail of that. And the other side, the awnings are mounted same way on the other side.
This is
Frame is here, so the frame is about here or so, and it ends somewhere out here. So the back of the camper extends beyond the back of the trailer frame, so there's going to be some dead space. So I decided to put, right, what do we do? This is
the
how big is 4-inch
it's for PVC
PVC tube, and this is
the hatch covers
so keep it watertight, and it goes
all the way to the other side.
and it will have
There's
same thing.
another hatch cover.
That's right. And we use to keep.
Store aluminum pulls in.
And this is where the power comes from, and if we wanted to, we can hook up the water to the sink.
I think that's last but not least, the kitchen. So-
Okay, May, what is this?
The sink.
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 Oh, that's where the I was looking for this. Okay, good thing we decided to do this. All right, so that's the
sink
tub.
for
Yep.
my mommy. A lot of storage. Coasters. And then when
Let's
you
take
pick
that
it
out.
up,
That's where the water hose
and all this, and battery.
is in there. Oh.
Oh,
Yeah, okay, that's okay. We'll just set that here. And go ahead and open that.
more storage.
And that's
The
top.
coffee thingy
Yeah, that's very important for my mom.
for your wife.
And all the
And-
storage here.
Yeah, more
And at the top, well, I guess forgot this.
stove.
The stove.
And more storage, tablecloth, mattress. Yep.
All right. Okay. And on the shelf, on top of the counter, we got space for rice cooker and plates and cups. Over here we'll have a
Makeup.
kettle and mugs and coffee stuff.
Oh yeah.
And at the top,
Compass.
no, that's
Clock.
not compass, that's thermometer.
Oh, thermometer, clock.
Yep, and this shelf is sort of floats on
And
the
all the stickers.
that we've been to. And whose hand is this?
Mine.
Yes, that's the latest
Daddy's latest
edition, and I will
Daddy's
keep the paper towel from unrolling.
rolling.
Yep. And I think, see, here is the
Keys
propane,
for Daddy.
and that goes to the front, and that's where the propane comes in. All
I
right.
have one more thing.
Okay.
Turn around. They have it.
Oh, yeah, very important. All right, let's see if I can get the overall shot. All right, May, thank you very much.
If you have any questions, just ask my dad. Bye.